Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. This past weekend, I attended the Outdoor Expo Malaysia 2024, and I wanted to share my experience and some of the sights. The Outdoor Expo was held in a suburban sports complex and occupied outdoor spaces like the car park, grass patches, sports courts, as well as indoor halls for different booths and activities. Malaysia has a vibrant outdoor community due to its abundant natural environment of jungles, mountains, rivers, nature reserves, and campsites. And this event was a great representation of that. This is the third year that the expo is running, and the organizers did a great job getting probably almost 100 local and international exhibitors covering camping equipment, outdoor gear, MREs, apparel, campsites, adventure sports and activities, and most importantly, parangs and knives. I was pleasantly surprised by the range of knives available and got to learn of a few new local knife makers. There were chandongs, golok peraks, kukris, choppers, and fixed blades, both in traditional and modern designs. Of course, I bought a couple of blades that I'll share in future videos. I also attended a jungle first aid course conducted by the survival training group Pendeka Rimba, which is Malay for jungle warrior. This half-day course was a good refresher from my previous first aid training and certification, and I learnt a couple of cool jungle first aid tricks. If you're in Malaysia or intend to visit Malaysia next year, I highly recommend you come by the expo when it is on, especially if you're into camping and bushcraft. If you want a Malaysian parang for a great price, this is also the place to be. I've left links to the Outdoor Expo in the description, so check them out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.